Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring small trees for your garden. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Japanese maple. Japanese maples are cherished for their elegant lacy leaves and vibrant seasonal colors, which can range from deep reds and purples to bright greens, depending on the cultivar. These ornamental trees grow slowly and typically reach a height of 6 to 10 feet, making them an excellent choice for compact spaces. Their intricate branching structure and colorful foliage bring an artistic, almost bonsai-like feel to gardens, especially in fall when the colors intensify dramatically. This tree is perfect for gardeners who appreciate subtle beauty and seasonal change. It's also ideal for shaded patios, woodland gardens, or as a container specimen on a balcony. Care tips: water consistently, especially during hot summer months, but ensure the soil drains well to avoid root rot. Protect from harsh afternoon sun to prevent leaf scorch. Morning sun with afternoon shade is best. Apply a layer of mulch to help retain moisture and keep roots cool during warm weather. Dwarf lemon tree. The dwarf lemon tree is a delightful and functional addition to any sunny garden. It features glossy green leaves, fragrant white flowers, and full-size lemons, all packed into a tree that typically remains under 10 feet tall. It can be grown in pots, making it ideal for patios and balconies, and it brings a refreshing Mediterranean feel to your home. This tree is great for beginner gardeners who want the joy of homegrown fruit without a sprawling orchard. It's also perfect for urban growers with limited space. Care tips: choose a sunny location with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Use well-draining, slightly acidic soil. Citrus potting mix is ideal. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, and be sure the container has drainage holes. Fertilize with a citrus-specific fertilizer every 6 weeks during the growing season. Crepe Myrtle. Crepe myrtles are a garden favorite due to their long-lasting blooms, beautiful bark, and overall toughness. Dwarf varieties stay manageable at 6 to 10 feet tall and produce stunning clusters of flowers in vibrant colors like pink, red, purple, or white from summer to fall. Their smooth, peeling bark adds interest in winter, too. Ideal for gardeners seeking a colorful, low-maintenance tree. It's also drought-tolerant once established, making it great for water-wise landscapes. Care tips: plant in full sun for the best flowering. Water regularly during the first growing season to establish deep roots. Prune in late winter to remove old flower heads and maintain shape. Avoid heavy fertilization, which can reduce flowering. Dogwood. Dogwoods are small flowering trees that bring beauty throughout all 4 seasons. In spring, they bloom with showy flowers that look like delicate white or pink petals. During summer, their leaves provide lush greenery. In fall, the foliage turns reddish-purple, and in winter, their bark and structure add interest. Smaller cultivars grow around 15 to 20 feet tall, fitting nicely into residential yards. This tree is ideal for gardeners who want year-round visual interest and support for pollinators and birds. Care tips: plant in a location with morning sun and afternoon shade. Keep the soil evenly moist and rich with organic matter. Apply mulch around the base to retain moisture and protect roots. Prune lightly after flowering to shape and remove deadwood. Dwarf Magnolia. Dwarf magnolias, like Little Gem or Teddy Bear, offer the beauty of the classic southern magnolia in a more compact form. These evergreen trees reach about 8 to 15 feet tall and are known for their large, creamy white, lemon-scented flowers. Their dense, glossy foliage also makes them attractive year-round. Best suited for gardeners in warmer climates who want elegance and fragrance without the massive size. Care tips: needs full sun to partial shade to thrive and bloom well. Water regularly, especially in dry seasons, to keep roots hydrated. Use mulch to conserve moisture and reduce temperature swings in the root zone. Prune lightly to maintain shape and remove dead or crossing branches. Dwarf apple tree. Dwarf apple trees are compact powerhouses for fruit production. Hopping out at 8 to 10 feet tall, they provide beautiful blossoms in spring and delicious fruit in fall. These trees are grafted onto dwarfed rootstock to maintain a small size without compromising fruit quality. Perfect for gardeners looking to grow their own apples in a small yard, edible landscape, or large pot. Care tips: requires a compatible apple variety nearby for pollination. Check local options. Plant in full sun and water deeply, especially during dry spells. Use organic mulch to keep the soil cool and retain moisture. Prune in late winter to encourage airflow and shape the canopy. Dwarf cherry tree. Dwarf cherry trees offer showy spring blossoms and flavorful fruit, all on a tree that stays manageable at 6 to 10 feet tall. They come in sweet or tart varieties and are great additions to edible landscapes or ornamental gardens alike. Even without the fruit, the pink or white blossoms provide spectacular spring color. Best for gardeners who enjoy dual-purpose plants, ornamental and edible, and have sunny garden space. Care tips: plant in full sun with good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. Prune in late summer to control shape and remove any water sprouts or suckers. Water regularly, especially during fruiting, and apply mulch around the base. Fertilize with a balanced fruit tree fertilizer in early spring. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best small trees for your garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!